this summer love. More than
Kultura, kasaysayan, at pasyan, who would have thought that you could experience amazing things all at once? I'm Nikki, your travel bestie. Samahan niyo kami this week. And let's discover Bayambang, the place where the best things happen. Dito lang sa Biyaheng Pangasinan!
simulan